Driving by this and it caught my eye here at the Lake Hope State Park. What are them things? We'll find out. Something to do with mining or something. There's two of them there. Let me see. Hope Furnace. This is from 1854 to 1874. Wow, 170 years old. One of 69 charcoal iron furnaces in the famous Hanging Rock Iron Region, extending more than 100 miles from Logan, Ohio to Mount Savage, Kentucky. This area contained all materials necessary to produce high-grade iron. Huh. The industry flourished for over 50 years in mid-19th century, during which time the area was one of the leading iron producing centers of the world. The charcoal iron industry was responsible for the rapid development of Southern Ohio and the romance of the Hanging Rock iron. Forms a brilliant chapter in the industrial history of the Buckeye State. So these have not been used for going on 150 years. They're 170 years old. These furnaces to make iron. Even before the industrial age. So cool. All them sandstones have been hand cut out. You can see the chisel marks on some places on the side. The history of Lake Hope. Most employees lived in Hope, a company town of about 300 residents. It's a beautiful area that I wasn't even trying to go to, just ran onto it as I was driving. Big old furnaces. Look at the size of that sandstone, guys. It's unreal. You can see the chisel marks where they cut it out of the ground. See them up through here. Somebody carved their initials on that one. Wow. These are just huge sandstones. This is the one that had the sign on it. Big sandy furnace. That's cool. Keep being you guys. I'll do the same.